Let's hit it. Oh, I got something in my eye. Oh my god. No. So, today's been an interesting day. I've gotten to ride all kinds of cool motorcycles. I've gotten to drive new vehicles today. It was all kinds of fun. I got to drive a Gladiator. I've been dying to get a Gladiator ever since I saw him at the FCA car meet a year ago? 2 years ago? Yeah, 2 years ago. And in Sterling Heights? Oh, it's something like that. It was at the FCA Technical Center. And they showed up, had cool decals and wheels and just, oh my god. It was really nice. So, ever since then, I've always kind of had a thing for them. And today, it's like, you know what? I had something to do today. It got canceled. And it's like, you know what? Let's stop at the Jeep dealer. And I got to drive an Overland with all the goodies on it. And it is just fucking great. I loved it. It's so much fun. So, now I'm in a predicament of what do I do? Because my current car, I drive a Fiat 500 Abarth, the turbo and everything, and I love it. I love that car with my life. I trust it. It's reliable. It's fun. It looks cool. I just love everything about it. There's nothing that bothers me about it. And like, with the used car market right now, it's like I could sell it for what I paid for it. Which, I mean, when it comes to used vehicles, that's pretty neat right there. So, what do I do? Sounds so good. Ooh, yeah. Get that lean on. Recently I've been trying to mess with earplugs and riding, and I've had a serious issue with getting them to stay in my ear. Like, I'll make it like 10-15 minutes like I did today, and here I am, and one of them's halfway out, and I might as well not even have them anymore. It's pretty bad. Let's fix that right now. Yeah, there we go. But I've been messing with earplugs, and my biggest struggle is I can't get them to stay in my ears. Like, they're great for that 15 minutes they stay in, and then I might as well not have them. And I don't know what it is. I've gone up in size, I've gone down in size. I got stupid ears, and they don't like it. So, it's become a struggle, because the Ducati is too loud not to have earplugs. Especially if I go on the highway, when that's most of my ride. So it becomes a problem. You know what? Every now and then I get a light like I did right there, and I can stop and pop them back in. And sometimes sticking your fingers in through the front of your helmet is enough, sometimes it's not. And today it was. Or at least for now it was. We'll see in 10 minutes if it sticks around. I'm not holding my breath though. You see Hemis out here like you see Civics in California. It's nuts. Not that I mind. I think Chargers are pretty dope. They just look so good, and they sound good, and they look fast. I've never driven one or been in a Hemi Charger before, but my friend has one of the newer Chargers, E6. The inside is very nice, and you know what? I could see myself in them. They're comfy. But you see them everywhere out here. Everywhere. I mean, I guess it helps that everyone and their mother here works for FCA. I mean, they've got, what, like 15,000 engineers? That's ridiculous. And you look at all the line workers, and there's something like 40 or 50,000 just in Michigan. Yeah, it's nuts. And you see the ads, at least here, and they advertise employee pricing. Half of the people that are buying them are employees. I mean, I can't say much, I want a Gladiator. But, you know what I mean. Entire neighborhoods built just for employees. Crazy. I mean, look at this. The Mustangs, Camaros, Challengers, everywhere. Everywhere. Even the police have Hemis. But I've been hearing something about Gladiators getting a turbo inline 6. Now, what do you think about that? I mean, I know I'm looking at a Gladiator right now, but a turbo 6 Gladiator, I might just buy one. If I don't buy the V6, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'm torn. My insides quarrel on this topic. I want one. But can I afford one? I don't know. I don't want to sell my car. It's a struggle. Daily life. I can't do it. I'm an adult. And it's hard. If only I made like an extra $10,000, I wouldn't even think about it. It is wild. The dude's showing me the Overland. I'm driving it. And I went in and it's like, everyone complains and bitches about how the Gladiator and Wranglers and Jeeps in general they ride horrible. Like they're rough, they're harsh, they're loud, they're uncomfortable. And I get in this thing and it's like, I don't know what you ding-dongs are talking about. This is amazing. Yeah, the steering is fake. Whatever. It's not like it's horrible. It's like putting soft sidewall tires on a sports car. That's kind of what it feels like. You drift a little bit. You gotta adjust every now and then. But it felt good. It didn't feel bad. It's an improvement over the Fiat, at least for comfort, maybe not handling. But everyone complains. They're uncomfortable. They're loud. They're noisy. They're just they're liars. They're filthy, stinking liars. They're wrong. Maybe compared to like a Ford, you know, Explorer or something. I don't know. I've never been in one of those either. I have, but I won't tell that story. I don't understand. I drove it and I was comfy and it was actually pretty efficient too. Like the gas mileage wasn't terrible, which matters to me because I do 100 miles a day. That fuel efficiency matters for me, and not just a little bit too. Like I spend $300 a month on gas with motorcycles and the Fiat. And the Fiat gets 31 miles a gallon. Ooh, S2000. I thought about getting one of those too, but I don't know. I just couldn't. It didn't. No. Nope. There was also thoughts like, what if I sell the Fiat and I just run the whole season without a car? I'll have to buy rain gear for sure, but insurance is gone. No, I don't spend as much money on gas because most bikes get at least 40 miles a gallon. Daytona and the Monster are right about there. Yeah, I'll have to fill them up every day. But, I mean, is that really so bad? I think it'd be okay. But I got to ride a Super Duke. That's a bike. I was only on it for a couple minutes, just making sure the quick shifter worked. And not gonna lie, if that bike didn't have a quick shifter, it would not be nearly as. The quick shifter helps that bike so much. I might be spoiled, but I think anything with more than like 100 horsepower should have a quick shifter. I mean, even like the new Trident, quick shifter. Throw one of those bad boys on. But quick shifters and heated grips are one of those accessories that I will put on any motorcycle that can have them, except Oxford. Those things, Oxford heated grips are garbage. Having wires hanging off your throttle, talk about a hazard. I don't like them, and I'm not willing to tolerate them either. I wouldn't, so I won't. Like the Monster, yeah. This bike is way more fun with a quick shifter than it would be without. The Daytona, it is just a dream with a quick shifter. It's so much easier, so much quicker, and it sounds really cool. I mean, just look at that. So easy. Didn't have to touch the clutch. Now I do. But, you see what I mean, right? Oh, there's a bunch of ding-dongs hanging out of the parking lot. I don't understand that. I don't see the point of waiting and sitting in traffic on a main road for a chicken sandwich. And Chick-fil-A is a serious offender on this one. I don't understand. Yes, their chicken sandwiches are good, both Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. But I'm not gonna sit in a line that is so long that the police need to marshal it and, you know, control ding-dongs for a chicken sandwich. A chicken sandwich. I recently had McDonald's new crispy chicken sandwich. Tastes so much like the Chick-fil-A sandwich. And honestly, I think I'd rather get the McDonald's one because, you know what? I'm not gonna sit in a line for 45 minutes waiting for a chicken sandwich. I'm not gonna waste that gas. I'm not gonna do that for $4 in 2 sandwiches. I don't like this on. It's uncomfortable. But that was my experience today.